Hello, little friends. Welcome back to All About Ketas. Today, we will learn bird's name. So, let's get started. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Sparrow. Robin. This is a robin. Robin. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Pigeon. Dove. This is a dove. Dove. Duck. This is a duck. Duck. Swan. This is a swan. Swan. Owl. This is an owl. Owl. Parrot. This is a parrot. Parrot. Eagle. This is an eagle. Eagle. Hawk. This is a hawk. Hawk. Vulture. This is a vulture. Vulture. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Ostrich. Flamingo. This is a flamingo. Flamingo. Hen. This is a hen. Hen. Crow. This is a crow. Crow. Peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock. Toucan. This is a toucan. Toucan. Quail. This is a quail. Quail. Northern card. This is a northern card. Turkey. This is a turkey. Turkey. Hoopoe. This is a hoopoe. Hoopoe. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Woodpecker. Mayna. This is a mayna. Rooster. This is a rooster. Rooster. Seagull. This is a seagull. Seagull. Crane. This is a crane. Crane. Blue jay. This is a blue jay. Blue jay. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher. Howbera bustard. This is a Howbera bustard. Goose. This is a goose.